Every week we are going to take a typing test and we're going to track the times so we can see if we're getting better. Just remember, it's not a grade for how well you do, it's a grade for participation. So the first thing that you need to do is go to www.typingtest.com. When it comes up, there's a couple things that you can change. One, leave 1 minute. You can change it, but you don't want to do this for more than 1 minute, especially the people who don't love tests. The second is if you click here on medium text, you can go ahead and go down here to where it says themed, and now you can choose what you want to type about. If you just want to type the first one, you can go to easy text and it will come up. If not, like I said, if you want to type about sports, nature, technology, traveling, or pop culture, go ahead and select that. They are all the same difficulty. So once you are ready, you go ahead and click Start Test, and it will come up and it is going to look like this. It shows you have 1 minute here. You can make sure you use capital letters. It will stop if you do not use capital letters. And you go ahead, when you're ready, you just start typing. You don't have to click anything. Once you start typing, it will start. So you see how I did it and it started? Okay, so when it is done, it is going to change into something like this. It'll be what your words per minute, WPM means words per minute, your accuracy, how many typos did you do, and then your net speed. This is the number that we are going to track. How many did we get right overall? Right and wrong, whatever, once we did that. It will also down here give you some kind of comparison so that you know how you are doing and what you need to strive to do. All right, so you're going to take the test twice just because I know the first time you're going to be really nervous and then you have to get used to it again, and then the second time, hopefully it is better. Once you have done that, I need you to go down here to the Start key, bottom left corner. You click on it, and you can go down to the E for Excel. Go ahead and click it, and it's going to come up. And the very first one up here at the top says blank workbook. That's what we're going to do. So now this looks like Battleship. You see how we have A, B, C, D, all the way across, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one of these is like a peg in Battleship. Hopefully you've played Battleship before. So what we're going to do is, do you see the green box that is around here? We're going to make sure that our cursor is in there, and we're going to put the word date. And then we're going to click the box next to it, and we're going to put the word time. So now today, you're going to go ahead and put today's date, which is 8/12/22. And the time was 33. That was the best. All right, so now once that is done, the last piece, do not just close it from here. Okay, the last piece. This is going to be more and more important as the semester goes on. You have to go to File, Save As. You want to go over here and browse, because you want to tell it where do you want to put this. Most of the time your default is in Documents, but I do not want it in Documents. I want you to go to desktop over here on the left-hand side in this menu. And then we're going to change the name to typing test times. And then you hit save. Okay, now you can close it. Up here in the top corner, the X means to close it. I'm going to minimize. Minimize means that it's still open, but I'm just hiding the window. And that is the minus sign that's up here. I'm going to minimize all of this. And then you will see on your desktop a icon that has a green X on it, and it'll say typing test times. When you have that on your desktop, you need to raise your hand and let me know, and I will mark it off. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know.